Learn about a different country each day. Singapore. Singapore is an island. It's a city, and it's also a country. It sits at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula in Southeast Asia. To its west is the Strait of Malacca. To the south and east lie Indonesia's Riau Islands. Singapore consists of a main island called Singapore Island, plus 63 smaller outlying islands, and there might be even more islands in the future. Because as of today, through land reclamation, Singapore has actually expanded its land area by 22%. Here's something interesting. Christmas Island and the Cocos Islands used to be part of Singapore, but they were handed over to Australia in 1957. Transport-wise, Singapore has two public airports. One is the world-famous Changi International Airport, which has been ranked the world's best airport for many years running, just 16 kilometers north. There's another airport called Siltar Airport, for a country covering just 725 square kilometers, making it the 20th smallest nation in the world. The Singapore government strongly promotes public transportation, like buses and the MRT. In Singapore, if you want to buy a car, you not only pay for the car itself, but you also need a certificate of entitlement, which costs around $30,000 US, and it's only valid for 10 years. For housing, Singapore follows a unique public housing model called HDB, where the government funds and builds public apartments, then sells them to citizens at affordable prices. Ownership lasts for 99 years. Today, over 80% of residents live in these HDB flats, so even though land is scarce and it's densely populated, Singapore achieves a home for everyone. The country is about 1.5 degrees north of the equator, giving it a tropical rainforest climate. Even though it rains a lot, Singapore is actually water scarce. It has no major rivers flowing through it, and it lacks sizable lakes. Early on, it relied on a long-term water agreement with Malaysia. Now, using desalination, rainwater harvesting, and other methods, it's boosted water self-sufficiency from 25% in 1965 to over 70%. Demographically, among Singapore's 6 million people, ethnic Chinese make up 74%, the largest group. Next are Malays at 13.5%, and Indians at 10%. Despite the high population density, Singapore has very low crime rates, thanks largely to its strict penalties. Eating or drinking on the subway, playing loud music in public, or even chewing or selling gum, all can get you fined in Singapore. It's also one of the world's least corrupt economies, one of the top 4 global financial hubs, and among the top 3 oil refining centers worldwide. It has the world's second busiest container port, which handled 39.01 million TEUs in 2024. Its semiconductor, biotech, and precision engineering industries are highly developed. In 2024, GDP hit 731.436 billion Singapore dollars, with per capita GDP consistently in the world's top 5. Nearly 1 in 6 households have over $1 million USD in disposable assets. Life expectancy here ranks 3rd globally. In short, Singapore is a highly developed island nation in Southeast Asia, famous for its multiculturalism, strict rule of law, and powerhouse economy. It's also the world's first and only Chinese majority developed country.